Hi guys, this is our YouTube channel and this is Dr. Jaskiran. Friends, today I come up with a recipe of dal makhni, which is not only a popular dish of northern India but throughout the world. It has been the favorite of everyone, and it has been served in almost each and every restaurant of India as well as in the whole world. Today, for making dal makhni, I have soaked black lentils and kidney beans all together. If you will take 250 gram of black lentils, you have to take one handful of kidney beans and soak it overnight if you want. And if you want to make it in the afternoon, you have to soak it in the morning and make the dal in the afternoon. This is the fundamental principle that works behind making a good and ideal dal makhni. That is the favorite of each and every one of the family members. This I have added 1 teaspoon of salt so that it acts as an electrolyte and it can work, and dal will be soaked in no time. Add 1 liter of water to it, and in the afternoon it will be ready to be cooked. Also place it in the warm place so that it will be soaked in no time, and in the afternoon you can make dal makhni. Friends, you are just seeing that it is just 1 o'clock, and I have took it into pressure cooker in order to pressure cook it. And for this I have added half a teaspoon of salt, large cardamom, one, and 1 clove. Pour 1 glass of water into it and take it for the pressure cooking. And see, basically, we have taken a little amount of water to which the dal is soaked properly, and we have left it for boiling, and the dal is properly boiled. Now you can see it has taken only 15 to 20 minutes to get itself boiled. So it is boiled properly. You can see it has opened up also. So we have to see that the dal is properly cooked or not. So it is properly cooked now. We can add more water. So I have added some more water to it so that the dal is soaked properly in it. And moreover, we need the consistency that we want is this. So now for preparing dal makhni, I have taken certain ingredients that I want to show you. I have taken certain condiments, like I have taken cumin seeds, I have taken coriander seeds, a little amount of 1 nutmeg, which we will shred like this, a little amount of, we have taken a cinnamon stick like this, and we have also taken dal makhni masala. You can take any dal makhni masala, and I have taken SDS dal makhni masala. And today I will let you know that India is famous for its best condiments in the whole world. So in addition to it, I have taken certain other ingredients also. These are 5 large tomatoes which we will puree to the fullest, to the finest. That is why I have cut it into pieces, otherwise they will go into the grinder and get themselves ground. But I have cut it into pieces just because it will take lesser time to grind them properly into a finest paste in the grinder. And I have also taken coriander, certain leaves of coriander, and I have chopped it into a fine leaves. And this is garlic, ginger, and 1 large onion. So we will just make the paste with these 3 ingredients, ginger, garlic, and onion, and we will grind tomato puree in separate. So let's do that. Let's do this step, and then the other steps will be followed. Friends, you have seen that I have also added 2 green chilies large into the tomato in order to make it a puree. So let's convert it into a puree, fine puree, so that it will make a good dal makhni and add taste to it. So friends, you can add Amul Gold milk to this. This is full cream milk, so you can add this milk to your dal at this stage and not to tadka itself, because if you add milk at the point when you are in between the sorting work while preparing the tadka, it may not give bright red color to your dal makhni, which you may not like. So this is the appropriate stage to add Amul Gold Cream milk to this, because in the winter season, your milk, full cream milk, will serve as a cream, because in the winter season your milk is coagulated itself in a very thick stage. So you can purchase that and add this to dal makhni. There is no separate need to take cream for the same. Guys, I have taken any refined oil. You can take any refined oil. I have taken oil in the pan. Along with that, I have also taken Amul salted butter, and along with that, I have put coriander seeds, cumin seeds, as well as I will show you. I have also added this cinnamon stick that we have taken into it, and not more than that. We have also created a pinch of a nutmeg into it, because it is a winter season, and in order to avoid ourselves, in order that we can get rid of cold, you can add a pinch of nutmeg. I have also shredded nutmeg. I will show you like this. So this is the shredded nutmeg. I have shredded it with the grater. So it is aroma of all these spices that fill my home with the aroma. I like this very much. You can also add bay leaf to it, and 2 red chilies dried. That will also add to the flavor. Let them fry for certain seconds, nanoseconds, and then put your tadka in it. For preparing dal makhni, try to prepare the fine paste out of ginger, garlic, onion, and as well as with the wild tomato puree. Try to make very thin paste out of that for preparing especially dal makhni, because it not only add taste to the dish, it will make your dish a restaurant style. And so that is why this is my personal experience, and it won't take your nanoseconds to do that. So let's add this gently. Put the gas on the simmer. Now saute it till golden brown. Friends, you are seeing that I have put dal makhni masala into it. Along with that, I have also put Kashmiri red chili powder. So it will give a bright red color to your dish, and your dish will look like a restaurant style. It not add to the eyes of the dish, but also add delight to the dish. This is also the appropriate time to add tomato puree to it. See that it is so fine. It won't take your nanoseconds to make it like this, otherwise your dish won't taste good. So try to make your tomato puree the finest. So friends, you have seen that I have added at this stage the coriander leaves and the fenugreek leaves dried into it. It will taste good with that, and mind it that you have to take a pinch of dried fenugreek seeds, otherwise it will take bitter. It will taste bitter. So friends, we are at this stage. It will take maximum of your time out of preparing the whole dish, the time it has taken, and you can kill the time by utilizing that time period. Otherwise on the other side the masala is going to be cooked, and you can utilize or kill that time by preparing other preparations like the dough for chapatis and making salad and chutneys. So and also ensure that your masala is not burnt in between while cooking it out with the lid. So ensure that also. You can also close it with the lid in order to make the process faster. So I'm just closing it with the lid. By the time the dal is on the gas stove, we are making tadka. So it is again just getting again and again boils in order to make a very good dal. The more the dal will boil, the more it is tastier. Wow, this is so nice. With the plate over it, it has cooked faster, more than before that we are doing. So basically our tadka is ready, and oil oozes out of the sides of the container, and this is the appropriate time, guys, to put the dal into it. So let's transfer the dal from the pressure cooker to this tadka in order to make it faster. So let's take it. Someone has rightly said that seeing is believing. So see, guys, it looked like as it has become a mouth watering at this stage itself, and how it goes like when it is properly cooked. So I have added dal to it. It doesn't look like as if I have added dal to it, and only tadka is visible at the top. So this is the right way that we want to cook it, like this. Now let's prepare it more concise way, in a more concise way, and let me do that. So guys, basically your dal is ready. You can see like this, steam is coming out of it. It means it is ready without making any other top ups. So our dal is ready. You can relish it with lachha parantha, simple chapati, or naan. So it goes good with every bread. Thank you, like and subscribe. It is the appropriate time to plate it out. Let's plate it. Guys, plate it like this. Plate it with lachha parantha and roasted tomato garlic chutney. Like and subscribe. Thank you.